Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon. So before you sit down, can you please touch us under your chair? And if you cannot see anything, then you can use the class, please settle down. So our question is, in the mnemonic, D stands for take responsibility, own your learning and behavior. S stands for have respect for others, be considerate and kind. I ignore distractions, put cell phones away, stay focused on the and never interrupt. Let others speak and share ideas. K, keep a positive attitude, stay motivated and open to learning. So, how's your day? It's fine. So far. Lunch. Gusto mo ito ba yung nikaw ng dalawa? Yeah.
Ultimately,
So before we dig deeper to our topic, I prepared a motivational activity that will give you a hint or clue about what our topic for today. So can you guess what's the
don't worry. Participation.
collaboration, communication,
Listening.
listening,
People.
what have you noticed in how
Participating.
diversity,
Active listening. Passive listening.
you're listening, interested,
Enthusiasm.
some personality,
Ay,
behavior, oh, pwede.
Attitude.
So our word of the day is importance of effective shapes and learning outcomes. So at the end of the lesson, students will be able to define effective traits and explain their role in the learning process. Develop self-awareness and managing emotions and attitudes towards challenges in learning. Apply problem-solving skills in a simulated classroom situation where students must encourage constructive tasks. So besides students' academic performance, there are other dimensions of learners that need to be assessed also. These are aptitudes and attitudes that are related to the academic achievement of learners, according to Tanner 2001. So what? So ano si Tanner puno na? Besides po sa academic performance ng students, ako nila ang dimensions na kinahanglan i-assess sa mga students which are the aptitudes and attitudes. So what do you think is aptitude? Oh, attitude.
The traits.
So when we say aptitude, it is a person's natural ability or talent or do something well in a specific field. So for example, ana is kailangan ko someone with aptitude for music easily learns to play instruments or sing. So kay naman siya natural ability to do something. So murag gaan na ito bawal iya to adapt sa nakuan. Next is the attitude. Attitude refers to a person, how a person thinks and feels about something, which affects how they behave. So an example ana is, if a student has a positive attitude toward math, they will likely enjoy learning it and put in more effort. So if na ka positive attitude to learn math, so na exert siya ng effort para maka-learn na ng math. So the learner's attitudes towards academic tasks influence achievements. According to Harvard 1988,
ma-appreciate.
Pagkakasayuhan ka na learning.
Wala.
Ako ba, haling-haling mo ka malitunan ba? Na mental block ka. Students who are in good mood and emotionally involved are more likely to pay attention to information. Remember it when you see it, like it. Ingana ka mo. If good mood mo, maminaw,
Yes.
na makapamilaw mo.
Katubod kay di.
Next is vocabulary. To find an variety of tracks learning and greater motivation is necessary for maximum performance. Ang so too much anxiety ka ba makadisrupt sa learning sa
Yes.
left. So to cope up, ano na po lang, so may kinawa ng buhat.
Dili mo sila. And take calm yourself.
So makita mo take a deep breath. Makita mo makita ka motivation na
Ang itaw crush electrical.
So di ba nakalala ka?
Hindi ka pa
Di ba
tutorial.
nakalala sa ato ang motivation is para matabangan ang pagkikita mo ng kagutan karon ka na sila, di ba? So,
Hmm.
if nakakagay yung motivation, makakuha ka ang maximum motivation.
May motivation ni mama.
Ang sikuan, ma'am, kakamot na gaganulit. A more positive environment fosters good
Ay, na-shade, shade. Tama na
and
shade.
learning than in a classroom with negative climate. So, di ba, if not a positive environment, you
Feel the celebrate.
Next is motivation. Desire and willingness to be engaged in behavior, including the intensity of
Yun na siguro mo tapon na
how eager and willing a student is to
Pasabot ra mo ning day.
participate and be involved in learning.
Wala lang ka rin day.
Ikaw na kanang student, dapat mangita ka ang motivation or purpose. Ano ni sila ka? Anong ni ka lang sulod kay na sila ka? Isulod ang bakani, kinatulog ka? Isulod ang bakani, kinasalpot ka? Diba? Next is academic self-concept. Self-perception of competence in school and learning. Sige, Day. How a student sees their own abilities in school. So, kita di ba if kanang 14 na tunaan na kanang field kay or ano man sa ability mo. So, mo na ang self-concept sa mo qualify mo na ang ability. Next is self-esteem. Esteem.
Mga efficiency style.
Sabi mo, boy. Attitude toward oneself, a degree of
Are you ready?
self-respect, worthiness, or desirability of self-concept. How a student feels about themselves and their self-worth. So ikaw na ka na estudyante ka, dapat na kay self-esteem sa imong mga galingon. Dapat kalang confident ikaw ka na do such things. Like, ikaw, galing tayo ka kuma. Ha? Overcome your fear. Overcome your fear. Next is self-perception of whether success and failure is controlled by the student or by external influences. Whether a student believes they control their success or if it is decided by outside forces. So ang kanilang ko sa control is task kay ang kato intrinsic of extrinsic. Kung saan na ang intrinsic tali? Internal motivation. Ang extrinsic external. So may mga examples sa extrinsic. Family friends.
Reward.
Oh, reward.
Boyfriend.
Next is emotional development. Growth, change, and awareness of emotions and the ability to regulate emotional expression. So, ano na? Dako na ba? Nakanala ba mo yung buwan, emotional development?
Emotional intelligence.
Emotional intelligence. Oh. Next is social relationships. Nature of interpersonal interactions and functioning in a group setting. So, how a student interacts and connects with others. Next is altruism. Willingness and propensity to help others. How willing a student is to help others without expecting anything in return. Ano ka mo? Namutabang mo without karakuan. Yes. Or ba sinitabang lang mo kay kahit kuan.
Ay, bayan.
Kuan.
Crush na ko siya.
Next is moral development. Attainment of ethical principles that guide decision making and behavior. So how a student learns from right from wrong and develops ethical values. Mo na yung values. Tama. Next is classroom development. Nature of feeling, tones, and interpersonal relationships in a class. The emotional and social atmosphere in the classroom affects students. In the last 1918, France attitudes and general state that influence what students are likely to do. So, hindi na si Macmillan na i-identify the attitude ng students. So, kasi kanang sa inyo ka, sa internal state. So, internal state refers to a person's emotions, feelings, attitude na. Like, for example, na-oral recitation. Tapos ang imong internal state is negative. So, saan may tapos sa mo? attitude ko na sa isa ka student is magdepende sa subject o sa teachers. Nga na ba mo?
Yes.
O, di ba? O, balita ang teacher kay. Mag-ilong na mo, tapos wala na teacher.
Mga absent fee. Mga data teacher.
Ah? Usually, we can recognize whether an attitude is positive or negative as it influences a person's actions now and in the future. So, dahil lang makita ang attitude sa usa ka tawo tungkol sa iyang palibot.
Yes.
So, ikaw, total is unmotivated kaya, mulo kasi ka nakatulog. Diba?
Lagi.
So, a positive attitude toward learning, math, science, English, and other subjects. As classroom rules and teachers. A negative attitude toward cheating, drug use, bullying, cutting classes, and out. So, in researches conducted by social psychologists, they found that attitudes consist of three components or contributing factors. And it is the first effective component. This refers to emotional or feeling a person has toward something, either positive or negative. So, for example, if a student enjoys art or feels anxious about math, they are showing the affective component of their attitude. So, ganang, wala mo tawag ganang, nara sila ganahan ng subject. Like, ganahan sila, tapos pag-abot mo, or what, ano siya, ibang iba. Next, second, cognitive So, a student may believe that science is useful, but history is not. So, di ba kita naman sa lain-laing believe na tayo, mga na siya na. Uy, sa'yo, from science ko, pero na yung panunana. Kasi, uy, lisod ka ayo kay karong kanang experiment.
Ano sila interest?
Next, behavioral component. This is how a person acts based on their feelings and beliefs. Example for this is a student who enjoys science and believes it's valuable might spend extra time reading science books at home. So, like, whereas kanang naka-interest pa siya na physical thing. So, iyan ang ginagawa mo oras para magkanang learn. Next is value targets. Please read the first bullet. Values refer to investigate their existence or move conduct that are desirable. So, we know about end states of existence, even in conditions or aspects in life a person wants to achieve. For example, such as being honest, cheerful, ambitious, loving, responsible, and helpful. Kung we look at the modes of conduct, it is considered appropriate and necessary in daily life. So, a person's internal state can influence whether they are act positively or negatively to an object, situation, person, group, or environment. Isa ganito internal state dali? Emotions, emotions,
Emotions na lang during that time.
oh, emotions. Depende na sa imo kung saan ka nimo perceive na like yung kanang mo ano ka na. Kaya lagi na ako lagi ni ako aning kanang ano ako aning overcome ang fear. Ako ang kanang show up ko sa ako bangat kay para kanang kuan maka overcome na ako ang fear. So ang mahitabo na is kanang limit ka brad. So, murag ikaw ko'y magnuno. So, na ako'y giandaw na energizer. So, so, kanin siya is kanang na ako'y colors, kanang names sa colors. So, ang inyong model is kanang instead ang kanang name sa color iliingon, ang color sa color. Kasawat ko ah.
Balik na?
Diba?
Oh. Kitay blue siya. Niya ang word niya. Red siya color. Bali dapat ang color.
Pero
kay mo yung color.
pas-pas din siya.
Kasi balik ka ulit sa Sunday.
Diba siya?
Depende man
Na ako'y kanang name sa color. Tapos, ang color sa, ang name sa color is lagi sa
So, sa mga iingon ang color or ang
color sa text. Color pero ang text kay white.
white. So, sa lagi ang mga iingon.
Ang iingon is orange. So, basta na siya.
Example sa isang form. Ito yan.
White, blue.
Blue Sasa to?
Brown.
Brown.
Blue.
Orange. Blue. Red. Ano? Brown. Blue. Orange. Blue. Red again. Ayaw basaha ako. Pagbukas sa color. Reverse to friend. Brown. Brown. Blue. Orange. Blue. Yellow red. Go, Lydia. Overcome your fear. Go inside the box. Go inside the box.
Next is integrity. Students should firmly observe their own code of life. So, ikaw sa imong kagalingon ka ng honest nga mo kabisi mo na nagtanong. So, So, next, justice. Students should priority that all citizens firmly observe their own values.
Just like.
All citizens should be the recipients of equal justice from government, law enforcement, and agencies. Students should believe that democratic countries must provide a maximum level of freedom to their citizens. So in education, motivation can be defined as the extent to which students are involved in trying to learn. Research on motivation can be proved using the expectancy X value framework of Brophy 2004, Pinstrich, and Scott 2002. This model suggests that motivation depends on students' expectations, their belief in their chances of success, and how important they think the outcome is. So, ito yung mga explain. Recap? Explain. Second bullet. Expectations ng students. So, tama kung di mo nilitay. Mag-expect nito kasi kung pabalik ka. Uy, ka na. Nobay na picture di ay ka na makuha. Tapos, ang motivation na is na weak job. So, ang maresulta na, hindi ka mag-okay. Nauna naman sa mga kabalik, gamay na mga supportahan. So, expectations refer to a student's self-efficacy, which is their belief in the ability to succeed in a task. So, ang expectations ko no, refers sa student self-efficacy. So, kung yung mga self-efficacy, pero ito mo rin nakapag-focus yung mga kaulit na kung ka na mo succeed ka, ninabutang, like, buhaton ako ni para mo succeed ko. Next is, values refer to how important the student thinks their performance is. This means they see the activity as meaningful and relevant. Students who believe that they have the capability to be successful and that the activity they engage in themselves are important for them and relevant, they will be highly motivated to learn. So if nakakay ka ng capability to nakakipag-bola na nakanabutang so diba, there's ka lang possibility na masuccessful ka na nakanabutang. Next is, even if they value the outcome and yet the students believe that they don't have the capability to attain success, their motivation will be weak. So if wala gihapoy, so wala gihapoy ka lang kuan, wala gamit imong utahay napakabala ka na nagutang pero kay ka lang kalto ka barabuhan na ability na buhat ka na kay tanaw nimo dili mo kaya kay kanang na down bitaw ka kay nakita ka so na ano dili mo lagi ana so wala gyapon na siya gamit. So, similarly, there are many students capable but are unmotivated because the activity that they are asked to do hold no importance for these students. So, like attitudes, motivation is ambiguous to use the general definition as to outcome because it is difficult to pinpoint the source of lack of effort and commitment. So, nilala si Macmillan na ang motivation targets ko lo ay dapat mag-focus sa self-efficacy mo sa kalis. Basta galit yung self-efficacy galit doon. So, pasensya doon tayo mo sa kati yung kakahilir at yung kayo siya doon. Self-efficacy. Nakakay pagtuo, nakakasucceed, alam tao. So, some examples of motivation targets. So, examples of self-efficacy is students will believe that they are capable of learning how to write simple computer programs using Java. So, nakamang kahit ka ng pagtuko sa mga kagaling na makabuhat na rin po sa gusto. Kung mo siyang ibuhat, kung sa madali ang outcome, at least try to maka. Next is, students will believe that it is important to know how to write simple computer programs using Java. So, tanong man mo na importansya na nabutang. So, iwan na siyang di-kunan. Next is academic self-concept targets. Self-concept or self-image refers to how a person sees themselves in a different areas of life, such as academics, relationships, or personal skills. So, para niyo, sa yung self-concept, ikaw, yun. Sa yung self-concept,
ano ko ka ng optimist, charis.
ikaw, Laura,
Resilient, resilient.
So, self-esteem, on the other hand, is how much a person values and appreciates themselves in these areas. It includes feelings of self-worth, confidence, and personal affirmation. So, naman mo nga nasa yung kaulilingon? Na may self-esteem.
Sa high, depende sa situation.
Ano sa high ro? Ano di ba ganun na?
Depende sa emotion. Sabon.
Saan mo mga confident?
Anxiety. May mga anxiety.
Next is social relationship targets. So social relationships are built through a set of skills that help people understand and respond to others appropriately. These skills include recognizing social cues such as body language, tone of voice, and facial expressions, and knowing how to react in different situations. So ang social relationships ko no kay build ko no different skills like lagay. So na maka tabang sa mga tao na kanang respond sa uwan. So, for example, kung kanang interact ka, di ba nakabati language? Sa pagdala, sa tone of voice, so spoken ka,
Expression on.
isod ba ka na mag-studio ng mga isa yung galing ka studio ka, parang kagaling ka. So here are the social relationship targets. So sa per relationships, unsa man ninyo ang kanang mabuild na kanang relationship ana? Sa peer.
Collaboration, teamwork.
Sa cooperation. Sa cooperation. Teamwork, other. So collaboration. Next is taking a stand. Makabuild siya ng conflict pero usahay makita ko daw discussion about ana. Next is functioning in groups, assertiveness. Next is pro-social behavior, which is makabuild siya of empathy. So social interaction is a key element of knowledge construction, active learning, and deep understanding, according to Boris and Tombari 2004. So di ba if ka nang mo interact tas o ba't kayo makabuild, makakonstruct mo ng knowledge, tapos maka-learn ka nila, kaya lahi-lahi mo
Ay, yung discourse.
So if ka nang mo share sila, tapos meron ka nang share ideas sila mo sila, brainstorming. So as long as there are interactions that happen, students need to make necessary adjustments in their thinking and actions so as to accommodate others and viewpoints, to defend their ideas to others and to share their opinions. So ikaw, kung interact ang lain, dapat muhatag ikaw ka ng chance sa ilahan na isulti ko ng ilahang ideas. Di lang ba sa kanang panahon, yung harata ng ideas, di ba? So you need to adjust. Next is social relationships. So, mo ito yung na-compare relationship. Ang target concern niya is show interest in others, listening to peers, sharing to a group, and contributing to group activities. So, collaborative skills needed to work in small groups may include 4 components, which is the basic interaction, getting along, coaching, and fulfilling particular roles. Sa gatong upat ka kung ang galit, components,
Interaction, getting along.
coaching, and fulfilling particular roles. So in every classroom, last is classroom environment targets. In every classroom, there is a unique climate that is built at every point in time. Moto ba ba na?
Yes.
In every classroom, there is a unique climate that is felt at every point in time. Unique climate. So, moto ba na? Like for example, ani na ka ng kana subject is ani mo kamating.
Yes.
Sa langit yung
Refresher.
Then,
Then,
so some manifest a comfortable atmosphere. Others have relaxed and productive ambience. As a result, there are classes that are happy and content, while others are serious and tense due to the effect of the classroom climate. So here are the as effective target, learning should seek to establish students' feelings, relationships, and beliefs that promote positive classroom environment. So here are the characteristics of the classroom environment targets. So first is affiliation. What's the affiliation?
kapit ka.
Sa may
Organization.
imuhang kanang attachment sa imong mga estates. Next is involvement, the extent to which students are interested and engaged in learning. So ikaw na naka sa classroom, kinahanglan na mag-involve ka sa mga kanang activities kaya para ma-feel po sa mga classmates din ikaw na naaka, imong presence, hindi kayo mag-ilog na kasi hindi makulang ka. Next is task orientation. The extent to which classroom activities are focused on the completion of academic tasks. So if na-task ihatag, dapat
I-accomplish.
accomplish mo, buhatag mo. Like, mo na responsibility as a learner. Cohesiveness, the extent to which students share goals and expectations. Next is competition. Tama rin, competition. Naaman siya na, no? Pero, ito pwede raw, hindi ko magpalaki.
Wala mo ko ni apel. Competition.
Pwede raw friendly competition, pero dili dito
Magkais na rin.
ikaw lang. Sa uloy ko na po. Dapat babong ko niya kay Gani. Kasama ko niya, right ko niya.
Bright mo ni mo ha.
Next is favoritism. Whether each students enjoy the same privileges. Wala may favoritism there sa ano. Dapat tayo ka ng
Fair.
treatment.
Pero wala may get rate pa.
Next is influence. The extent to which each student influences classroom decisions. So, ikaw, estudyante, dapat ganang bisan dili mo kadako-dako or kuan lang ka ng temp ka ng ordinary students. Dapat habang po ka
Extraordinary power.
ay good influence sa
Good
others.
influence. Parehan ako pa.
Next is friction. The extent to which students bicker with one another. Say bicker.
Bigger? Big, big,
Bicker.
baker?
Bicker. Oh.
Bicker.
Bickering. The extent to which students bicker with one another. Oh. Bickering? Oh, nakita ko kami.
Sa spelling ay
Sa spelling sa bicker. B-I-C-K-E-R.
ah, beaker. Ito baker.
Bicker.
Tutupan.
Yun. Next is formality, the emphasis on imposing rules. Next is communication, the extent to which communication among students and with teachers is managed and collective. Next is warmth, the extent to which the students care about each other and show concern. Ano ba mo sa itong mga concern
Yes.
sa ilaha?
Yun, nagaya broken ka rin. Kung isa mo ta.
To create a better classroom environment, it is important to compare how students and teachers view the classroom atmosphere. Students and teachers may have different opinions on whether the classroom feels positive and supportive. So, di ba naman lahi-lahi na kanang opinions like si Dar, kanang gaanan siya ay na klase, mas nakuban, di mo alam. Dili ko kay gusto mo sa sumama, diba? So, effective domain of the taxonomy of educational objectives. So, in 1964, David R. Sheffield together with his colleagues extended Bloom's taxonomy of educational objectives by publishing the second taxonomy of objectives, this time giving emphasis on the effective domain. So, sinabuo ko na wala ko na siya ay kanang extended Bloom's taxonomy. Di gama niya ni para Ligaman niya ni kay nag-focus ni siya sa emotions, attitudes, values, and motivations which are essential in shaping a student's ability to learn and engage. So, ang una is ang receiving or attending. Familiar ba mo? Yes. Receiving or attending. Nasa mo siya mga skills sa macro skills. So, ang receiving or attending is awareness or willingness to listen. Next is responding. Responding is active participation and engagement. So, respond ka sa patient. Next is value. Sa wala value.
Gano'n ba ito?
Wala description. The developing personal beliefs and showing consistent behavior. Next is organizing. Comparing and integrating values into a personal system. And lastly, characterization by a value complex. Deeply internalized values guide long-term behavior.
That's all.
That's all. Thank you. So, ang ato activity kay learning and my emotions. So, naa siya yung table. So, ang akong instruction na is think about three learning activities you recently did. Sa learning activity. Tapos, kung saan man mo ang emotion na felt na kapagaman ng activity. Tapos, why do I feel this way? Well, how did it affect my learning? What can I do to improve upon that learning? The next answer ang mga three questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Asa isuwan?
Sa mga